Root cause analysis, or RCA, is a methodical approach used to identify the underlying causes of problems or incidents. Unlike surface-level problem-solving, RCA aims to discover the origin of a problem, enabling solutions that address symptoms and prevent recurrence. It is widely used in fields like business, engineering, healthcare, information technology, and manufacturing. RCA is critical because it ensures that solutions are effective and enduring, rather than merely temporary fixes. By addressing the root cause, organizations can prevent recurrence, save resources, and improve systems. This approach enhances the overall reliability and efficiency of operational processes, making it an invaluable tool for continuous improvement. Several techniques are employed in RCA, tailored to the complexity of the problem and industry context. The 5 whys technique involves asking why multiple times until the root cause is identified. The fishbone diagram, or Ishikawa, visualizes cause and effect relationships. Failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, identifies potential system failures. Fault tree analysis uses logic diagrams to map pathways leading to faults. Each technique offers unique insights into problem solving. Conducting RCA involves several key steps. First, identify the problem and understand its impact. Next, gather data illustrating every aspect of the issue. Use RCA techniques to analyze and identify potential root causes. Develop solutions addressing these root causes, then implement them. Finally, monitor the effects to ensure the problem is resolved. This systematic process ensures comprehensive problem solving. Implementing RCA can present challenges. Some problems are complex, with multiple contributing factors that are difficult to delineate. There may be organizational resistance to proposed changes. Additionally, effective RCA requires specific skills and knowledge, which may necessitate training or external expertise. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for successful RCA implementation. Despite challenges, RCA offers significant benefits. It improves productivity by eliminating recurring problems, enhances quality by addressing root causes of defects, and increases safety in industries like healthcare and manufacturing. RCA is a powerful tool for organizations aiming to improve continuously and ensure operational reliability and safety.